Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick build or a quick update on my Lindberg B-17 that I'm doing. Um, I've got a lot of it, excuse me, got a lot of it painted already. I got the wings sprayed olive drab, the upper parts, the horizontal stabilizer, the top. Something that's really cool about this model is that it has working uh, control surfaces, the ailerons, the rudder, all that stuff is movable. Um, so pretty neat deal on that. I got the fuselage halves shot olive drab, and then I'm brush painting the neutral gray onto those. Gotta do that. I got the inside painted the zinc chromate green. I'll probably do another coat on it. Looks like it's a little light in a few places, but a lot of it's not going to be seen either. Um, but yeah, I want to do a quick update on it. Got the other side green uh, shot in there, or not shot, but brushed in. There's my zinc chromate green. Um, got the floors uh, painted wood color because the floor on a B-17 is made out of wood. All through the plane, they're all wood. This area here, I'm going to do zinc chromate green or black. It's the top of the control, or basically where the pilot's feet go. Um, but that part's metal, it's not wood. And then I got the crawl space back behind the instrument in the nose. This part here that's white, I'll do that like an olive drab color because that's actually fabric. They pull that apart and then they can get to the back of the instrument panel. It's just rough paint right now. Just kind of just trying to get everything kind of rough done. The other pieces of the cockpit area on this thing, if you look at, if you've built this kit or if you're gonna build it, this one area right here, 21, that is not actually in a real B-17. That bulkhead is not there. But the way that this thing's built, it holds the top of it holds the top turret in place from the front side. So what I'm going to do is where it's painted, I'm just going to cut that off straight across and then glue it into the fuselage so it will support the top turret, but it's not going to have the bulkhead part, which, there's actually like a piece of armor plate across there anyway, so that'll take place of that without a problem. Now I gotta do the little guys, get them done, and some other stuff. Excuse me, jeez. But yeah, like I said, I'm getting there. Got you can tell where I was holding it when I was painting. Now I got doing another coat of paint, but just a little bit of an update on it. Hopefully I'll have her down here sometime this week and go from there. But just want to give you guys an update. Like I said, there's ailerons for it. Like I said, it's pretty cool because the ailerons move, the landing gear, the turrets, and I mean this kit. If I'm not mistaken, this kit was it was built originally designed back in the '60s. So early '60s, I guess, from what I was gathering. So it's a pretty cool kit. The only thing that they missed on it being a B-17, there should be a top window right there triangle window. But oh well, can't have everything. But I mean, the panel lines, the rivets, I mean, it is really a pretty cool little kit, you know, for as long ago as it was built. So, God, I don't know why I'm yawning so much. Sorry, guys, but yeah. So I just wanted to give you a quick update, and I'll give you some more here down the road as I get closer to getting this beast done. Thanks, guys. Hope you're all doing good, and stay safe out there, and especially everything going on, everybody in the path of that tornado. Any of you guys, you know, had to go through that. Wow, you know, just can't imagine. So, you guys all stay safe. Take care. Thanks. Bye.